Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to fix FPS stutter or motion stutter. What I mean by this is while you're in games and you're turning left and right, it feels like you're jumping and it just doesn't feel smooth. So obviously you're dragging your mouse along, it's nice and responsive, but while in game, it tends to jump, which is very hard to play, as you all may know. The way you want to fix this is type in Device Manager, which will bring up a little menu. After that, click on the little tab that says System Devices and just scroll down until you find something called High Precision Event Timer. Right click it and click Disabled. As you can see, mine says Enabled because I've already disabled it. After you've done that, just close it down. Also, if you're running a game, make sure to close it down and restart. After that, click on NVIDIA Control Panel and navigate to the Manage 3D Settings. After that, click on the Program Settings. And depending on the current game, obviously I'm using Black Ops 2, click on Add, find the game which you would like to add. So I am using Black Ops 2 Zombies. Make sure you select it, scroll down until you find maximum pre-rendered frames, and make sure you set it to 1. OpenGL rendering, I like to select my actual graphics card, so I'm clicking on my graphics card. And after that, if you want to copy any of these settings on here, I'll go for it now. Okay, so that's if you want to copy that. And after that, just close it down and you should be good to go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it fixes your issue if you're having any stuttering issues, and have a nice day.